Hey guys, today we're juicing it up. We got the perfect combination here today: carrots, gingers, and apples. Yes, honey, you can make it as spicy as you want to by the amount of ginger that you add in there. But the perfect combination, because you got the carrots and with their sweetness, you got the apples that are tangy and sweet, and then you got that spice or that kick at the end from the ginger. So we're gonna get these cleaned up. I just chopped off the top and the bottom of the carrots, and we're gonna get them peeled up. I just recently learned that, the beta carotene that we really want from the carrot is in that skin. So if that's what you're looking for, you might want to leave your skin on and just give your carrots a good scrub. We're going to go ahead and chop these apples up, and then I'm going to remove the core. You don't have to. The juicer will actually turn it into pulp for you, but I just make it easier on my machine, make my machine last a little longer by just removing the core. It just takes a couple of seconds, and there we have it. Okay guys, let's add this ginger. I'm gonna tell you, that's my favorite part anyway. I love that kick. Some people are intimidated by cleaning the ginger, but again, you don't have to do that either. The machine will take care of it. But I just usually, just out of habit, will use a spoon to just remove the skin off the ginger. That is probably the easier way. If your ginger's not so fresh, you may need to use a knife. But if it's pretty fresh, it'll come off pretty easy with a spoon. So there we have it, guys. This is what we're working with. We're gonna throw all of that one by one into the juicer, and I'll show you what we get here. It's quick. If you blink, you're gonna miss it. Stay tuned. This is the juice, guys. You see that? That's what we got. And we also got this. Remember, you can use that pulp for many things. I'm gonna put mine into a freezer storage bag, and I'll use it this week to make some veggie patties. If you're not going to use the pulp, of course, you can put it in your compost pile, or you can just toss it in the trash. It's up to you. If you use your pulp, let me know in the comment section. What do you use your pulp to make? I'm going to enjoy this today, so I'm going to store it in a mason jar to keep it fresh, and it will last. Probably best to drink it within a couple of days. But if you're a grab-and-go kind of person and you got to put it in a plastic bottle, do you, boo? Hey, do what works for you, because you will do it more often. This juice requires no additional sweetener because, like I said, you get the sweetness from the carrots and the apples, and it is the perfect balance for me. I hope that you will try it and enjoy your juice. I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a good day.